And today we're going to be checking out this fully adjustable backdrop hanger. That's right, this is a backdrop hanger that you can use for weddings, birthdays. You can put up temporary walls. You can build temporary gazebos. It's just a very multi-purpose, multifunctional backdrop holder. Now this thing is all aluminum. Even with that weighted bases, it weighs under 50 pounds. But the crossbars here will hold up to 60 pounds. So if you want to do a nice flower wall, if you want to hang a curtain for separation, if you want to create a temporary room, it can all be done with this. It's super fast to put up. It only takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes to fully assemble. You do get double hangers for double backdrops, and the adjustments are super easy, which I'm going to show you up close. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, we're going to start here at the bottom. You can see these metal bases. These weigh about 11 pounds a piece. And then you have this aluminum tube that comes up, and this is your little clasp right here. And then when you get up to the top here, you can see this is how you hang your bars. And it's just this simple. It's just a single bracket that comes in, and you just slide it in just like that, and it locks into place. That's all you do to assemble it. And then you just hang the double bars on there. Just that easy. Just like that. To adjust the frame, you can see you have these little buttons right here. And if you want to make it taller, you just slide it up and it automatically locks. And if you want to lower it, you just pull those up and you lower it down. And then when you let them go, it automatically stops. So just that easy to adjust your height. And like I said, they do go from 6 feet all the way up to 10 feet in height, and the width goes from 6 feet to 10 feet as well. Your crossbars are adjustable with these little push buttons right here. You can see that you can stretch them all the way out, and there's a second hole. Maybe you can see it under here, right there. And overall, it's very well made. I would feel very confident in using this to hang backdrops, flower walls, balloon walls, wedding decorations, just whatever you may need to hang. We're going to go ahead and put a backdrop on it so you can kind of see what it looks like. All right, so you can see I have this stretched out to about 8 feet right now. And as I was showing you, if I wanted to raise this up, I just simply raise the pole. Don't have to push any buttons or nothing. You can just do it with 2 fingers, just like that. And then you just lift these little chrome buttons to bring it back down to the height that you want. Super, super easy. And like I said, you can hang 2 different backdrops because they not only give you this one pole, they give you 2 poles so you can have 2 different backdrops or 2 different supports for decorations. And then the only other thing that you need to hang them are these little brackets like this. And these just simply drop in the slots and they lock themselves into place. And then you can slide this through your backdrop. And then you just hang it on the little slots. Just like that. And if you had enough of these, this is similar to what they would use at like convention centers and things, to where they put on the long curtain walls. That is what this is made for also. But I have a backdrop over here. So we're going to hang this up real quick. I'm going to hang it on the brackets here. So if you're a photographer, videographer, and if you need to create a different mood, different backdrop, it's just that simple and easy to do. I'm going to separate it a little bit just to tighten it up. There we go. And then if you look at the bottom down here, I have quite a gap from the floor. So I'm just going to lift up these and just bring it down to the height I want. Lock it in. Do that on both sides. And we're just fully set up that quickly. Now we went from my living room to the most magical place on earth. How cool is that? So if you're looking for a very versatile, heavy duty industrial backdrop holder, I would recommend this one tremendously. As I said, the whole system broken down weighs less than 50 pounds. It is made out of aluminum. It can hold up to 60 pounds on these bars. It's great for decorating weddings, birthdays, quinceaneras, flower walls, balloon walls. You can make temporary rooms. You can separate rooms if you have enough of them. And overall, it's very, very well made. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.